Bonjour everybody, how you guys doing? It's been a minute. I know. It's been a while. I've been MIA and I apologize. But it's for a good reason. Your girl has been working hard on her website and the website is up and running, and that's why I'm here. I'm here to introduce you to my new website. I am so excited. I'm gonna scoop aside so I can show you right here what it looks like. So why did I do a website? I did a website so that I could regroup everything that I'm doing in one spot so that it's easy for you guys to see what's going on. If you're wondering what Lulu has been up to lately, you just go on my website. And actually my website is lulouclv.com. luluc'estlavie.com. Can be any more simple than that, except for the spelling of Lulu. It's Lu for Luisa, and then LOU for Louis, and then the CLV stands for C'est la vie. C'est la vie. What does that mean? C'est la vie means that's the way life goes. Sometimes life throws you lemon, you gotta make a lemon pie with it, and a little bit of lemonade on the side because we need to drink too, right? Life keeps happening. No matter what happens in life, you gotta keep going, right? All right, so now let's take a look at the website, shall we? Because your girl worked hard on it. I'm kind of proud of myself. All right, so the homepage, you will see my face because the homepage, you gotta know who we're talking about, right? And then the first thing I want to show you is my merch. I have three merch that I absolutely love and adore. The first merch I'm going to show you is my brush. This is a 95% biodegradable detangling brush. It's my go-to brush. When I was looking for merch, I really wanted stuff that I am going to be using on a daily basis, stuff that like my favorite things, okay? And this detangling brush is by far one of my favorite things. What I like the most about it is the fact that it is biodegradable. 95% of this brush is plant-based. I also like how flexible it is. It goes with the flow and not against the flow of your hair, and it's a lot more gentle on your hair and helps with preserving your hair and not breaking your hair. I also like how strong the bristles are. I like to use it under the shower after applying conditioner in my hair to detangle my hair. I like to use it on my hair when I apply my styling product to make sure that the product is well distributed all over. I also like to detangle my hair dry if ever that happens, which is really rare. I will start by the ends and then work my way up and always use this product. And always use this brush. I also use it on Ella's hair, who has a 3B type of hair, I want to say. And it does an awesome job at detangling her hair without pulling her hair out too much. Okay, the next product I want to show you is my microfiber towel. I am so in love with this towel. I'm gonna have to do a close-up because I want you guys to see how thick and how soft this towel is. It is absolutely amazing. So this is the towel, brand new. It absorbs a whole lot of liquid. It's incredible the amount of liquid that this towel can absorb. This is the towel that I used this morning on my hair. So this is the new one, this is the used one, and I just want, it's still damp, it has products in it. I've been using it for like 3 days now, and I've washed it many times, and I want you guys to see how the product still looks like after many washes and many use. I got those merch in August, you guys, okay? So I've been using this towel a lot, and it's still very thick and very soft, and it still absorbs a lot. So we're definitely talking about quality product here. And out of all the towels that I own, I have to say, if I'm honest, this is the best quality towel I have, and I have a lot of towels out there. I decided to go with a rectangle shape, and I like that it has that little hook, for two reasons. The first one is that I own those turban microfiber towels, and to be honest, in the beginning I used them as a turban, but after a few months of that, I realized that I am mostly using my microfiber towel like a regular towel. Okay, I don't really put it in a turban like that. The second reason is that I like to use my microfiber towel for my face also. So I have two towels in my bathroom, one for my hair and one for my face. Okay, my last product that I have for now, because I have another one that's coming, is this awesome diffuser compact travel size diffuser. I have two colors, black and purple, I think that's, or fuchsia. I'm not sure what color that is. Purple fuchsia, something like that. I love these products. I'm somebody who travels every year. If I don't go to France, I go to the Caribbean. Like, I'm always planning a trip at least once or twice a year, except for 2020, because 2020, you know, was so awesome like that. So a diffuser, portable diffuser, travel diffuser, I don't know what you want to call this, is a must for any curly hair girl. What I even like more about it is that you can take out the inside. This is super flat, so you can slide it in a zip pocket somewhere. And if you need this to be even smaller, you can legit like fold it in two and then put it inside your shoe, or put it inside a little spot that you have, and then it will stay like that. And then once you're ready to use it, boom, it's back to normal. All you have to do is pop this back inside like so. Why did I take the black one? You're not gonna see anything I'm doing. Up, you pop it back in, and then you're good to go. So this for me is a must. I'm the type of girl who likes to travel a lot, and to be able to have a portable diffuser is, I mean, it's a lifesaver for a curly girl, right? Keep in mind, if you go to a hotel, 99% of the time they have a hair dryer, but they don't have the diffuser. So this is a big deal. Again, two colors, black and fuchsia, because you know what, you can always use a little bit of black and a little bit of fuchsia in your life. Well, that is being said. I have one more product that is coming, and it is a hairnet for my plumping technique. If you guys follow me, you know that I like to plump my hair up when I decide to plump my hair up. I don't do it all the time, but when I do, I use a hairnet and not a bonnet, because I like the air to circulate. I don't want the product to be infused into my scalp. And I found the hairnet that I am using on a regular basis. So I'm waiting for it to come. And then once it's here, it will be available on my website. Now, what else can I tell you? I only have a limited amount of product, you guys. So those are limited edition, and I'm not sure if I'm going to reorder. I'll see how this goes. So limited amount. If you want yours, you need to like order it as soon as possible. I'm a one-woman show, so I'm going to be shipping the products myself. So I'm going to ask you for your, what's the word, tolérance? Non, pas tolérance, for your understanding if it takes a minute to get to you. But usually within a week, you should be able to have your product without a problem. Now, that's for my merch. Now back to the website. On this website, like I said, you'll find my merch, but you'll also be able to find all of my latest content, because you have a page called social. On that page, you'll see my Instagram and my YouTube, and you'll see my latest posts. So if you're wondering what's up with Lulu lately, you can just go on my website and you'll have everything here available for you. Another thing you'll find on my website is all the product that I use on my YouTube channel or on my Instagram. I'll have a place where they are linked. So right now you'll find my Amazon store, but in the future I'll have independent links of different products that I like to talk about. So as I am going with my videos, I will make sure that I will link all of the products so that you know where to find them, how much they cost, and so on. Okay, one more thing that I will be adding to my website in the future is all of my creation, because if you follow me, you know that I like to make things. For example, macrame plant holders are one of my hobbies, and well, I've been making a few lately, and there's only so many that I can hang in my house. So at some point I'm gonna have to sell them, and I want to make them available on my website for you guys, and of course I will announce it on my social media so you guys know. Now those macrames are one of a kind, and it's first come first serve. If I'm inspired to do one, I'll do it and I'll put it out there, and the first person who can get it is going to be the lucky winner. Okay. What else can I say? There's so many things that I want to do with this website. You can send me your email to receive updates on what I'm doing. Now don't worry, I hate to be sent a million emails, so I'm not that person at all. To be honest, I'm new to the email list situation, so I'm not sure how that's gonna go. But right now, what I would like to do with that is just send you an email maybe once a month to let you know what's going on, you know, say hi, and then share with you maybe a blog that I decided to do, or new products that are available on my website, new things on my live stream when my live stream is coming, which is once a month, every first Friday of the month on my YouTube channel. Let you know that that's coming, you know, just little reminders, and then that's it. That's all. That's a lot already, right? So yeah, this is pretty much what I've been up to. Now what's coming up with my channel? Well, I have two videos that I filmed last month that I did not post yet, so I'm gonna be posting these soon. One of them is, well, the first one I'll be posting is my updated fall curly hair routine, where I'll show you what I've changed in my routine and how it has impacted my hair. After that, I have another video coming your way. It's a versus video where I style my hair on one side with my brush, because you guys know that I like to brush my hair through a lot when I style my hair. And on the other side, I do not brush my hair, because I know a lot of you are like, oh my gosh, I could never brush my hair when I style it. It will look like a frizz ball. And I'm just making a comparison between the two sides to see if it really makes a difference in the amount of frizz, in the curl formation, like if there's really a big difference between the two. So yeah, those two videos are coming your way. It's gonna be back to one video a week, and then one live stream every first Friday of the month on my YouTube channel at 4 p.m. EST. One thing I forgot to talk about, I'm running out of battery, so I'm hoping that I can finish this. Shipping. A lot of you don't live in the US and you've been asking for international shipping. So it's going to be available. I'm working with US Postal Service. So it's a flat rate for the US, but for the international, depends on where you live. Okay, so I will ship internationally, but the cost depends on, you know, US Postal Service. So that's that. I think I'm done. I am going to go. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you so much for watching this until the end. I really appreciate it. Again, keep in mind that these merch are limited edition, and I'm not sure I'm going to reorder. So if you want to have your awesome detangling brush, your super soft microfiber towel, or your portable diffuser, go for it as soon as possible. Okay, and that's it. I will see you guys next week with a new video. I'm gonna try to post again every Friday like I used to before confinement, and I will see you guys on my live stream the first Friday of next month. I think it's the 6th, November 6th, I'm not sure. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a beautiful life. Stay happy and healthy. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.